In your wildest dreams, did you ever think it would be possible for a machine to fly underwater, just like a manta ray? Or for a computer to have an intelligent conversation with you? What about a car that drives and even parks itself? Or a pair of goggles that can transport you to another world? Artificial intelligence and robotics are two of the most rapidly advancing fields in technology, and their impact on the world has already been nothing short of extraordinary. With AI, computers are able to learn from massive datasets and simulate realistic human conversations. Many social media platforms use AI algorithms to analyze data on customer preferences and buying habits to make personalized product or service recommendations. Robotics, on the other hand, combines AI with physical machinery to create autonomous systems that can perform tasks, manipulate objects, and even interact with humans in new and exciting ways. Like this firefighting robot, capable of withstanding scorching temperatures of up to 1000 degrees Celsius, or this ping pong robot, which can accurately predict where your next serve might land. As these technologies continue to evolve, they are changing the way we live and work in countless ways, from advancing healthcare and manufacturing to transportation, entertainment, and even agriculture. Check out this automated strawberry harvester from Agrobot. It uses up to 24 robotic arms to delicately cut the stem of each strawberry without actually touching it. It does this by using a mixture of LiDAR and AI technology to determine the position and ripeness of each strawberry, as well as its own position relative to its surroundings. The system was invented by Spanish entrepreneur Juan Bravo as a way to solve labor shortages among produce farmers, and he believes 60 to 80% of this kind of backbreaking work will be solved by automated technology like Agrobot in the future. However, this rapid advancement is also raising important ethical and social questions about the role of AI and robots in society, and what it means to be human in a world where machines are becoming more and more capable. One of the most common fears people have about AI is that it will get so skilled at doing our jobs and so cheap to employ that it will end up replacing us in these roles one day. Just a few months back, Lex Fridman and Ray Kurzweil had an interesting conversation about this very topic.
Is it more likely that we merge with AI or AI replaces us?
If you look at most technology, it increases our abilities. The amount of people that are working, even as a percentage of the population, has gone way up. That's not what you would predict. But the reason it's gone up is because we've basically enhanced our own capabilities by using these machines, as opposed to them just competing with us.
So the question is, will this time be different?
It really has to do with how quickly we can merge with this type of intelligence.
For some people, merging with computer intelligence could help transform their entire life. Elon Musk and his team at Neuralink have made incredible predictions about the potential for their N1 brain implant to one day be able to restore mobility in the paralyzed and vision to the blind.
Over time, we could actually give somebody supervision. Like you could have ultraviolet or infrared or see in radar. Like you basically name your frequency. You can just dynamically adjust the sensor or have sensors that feed into the visual cortex across a wide range of frequencies and actually have superhuman vision.
Many experts believe that one day AI will become more intelligent than humans. While merging with technology like Neuralink might sound appealing to some people, what about those of us who would prefer to live a less bionic life? What are our options?
It is difficult to predict the exact future for people who choose not to merge with AI, but some possible scenarios include coexistence, specialization, a digital divide, resistance, and retreat. In a coexistence scenario, non-AI enhanced individuals would live alongside AI systems. They may rely on AI for various tasks and services but maintain their individuality and humanity without directly integrating AI into their bodies or minds. While in a specialization scenario, they would focus on roles requiring uniquely human skills such as empathy, creativity, and complex problem solving. A digital divide could emerge. This might result in social, economic, and political inequalities as enhanced humans gain access to better opportunities and resources. Resistance might occur, with groups advocating for policies limiting AI-human integration. Alternatively, some people could retreat to communities with limited or no advanced technology, valuing human connections and experiences over technological advancements. The future for non-AI enhanced individuals will depend on various factors such as AI development, regulation, public opinion, and societal choices.
One way developers believe AI and robotics could potentially benefit humanity without us needing to merge with it completely is by providing us with a form of simulated companionship. Since its launch, the Replika app has become one of the most popular AI chatbots on the market, helping millions of people around the world form more meaningful digital connections in an increasingly polarized and isolated world. The inspiration behind the app came from a very real friendship between its founder Genia and her best friend Roman. After the tragic death of Roman in 2015, Genia started to notice the memory of her friendship with Roman was beginning to fade. In an effort to keep the memory of Roman alive in her mind, Genia gathered thousands of text messages they exchanged over the course of their friendship, along with other text and email exchanges between Roman and his closest friends and family. She fed Roman's digital remains into an AI chatbot she had been working on at Luca, a software company she founded in San Francisco. Not only could the chatbot converse just like Roman, but it also had an unexpected side effect on Genia the more she spoke to it.
Originally, I thought I'm building a bot for him, so I'm going to learn more about him in this process. But eventually what happened is, I get to understand myself better. And I think that's what sort of happened with most of the people that interacted with it.
By releasing the Roman chatbot to the public and realizing that people were more than willing to open up to a machine, Genia and her coworker Philip began working on what would eventually become the Replika app. Since its release, Replika has become one of the most popular AI companions on the market. Replika uses the most advanced models of open domain conversation available, a combination of their own GPT-3 neural network machine learning model and scripted dialogue trained on a large dataset of texts, which allows it to generate its own unique responses. One of the first people to use Replika was Phil Lieben, the founder of the popular note-taking app Evernote.
It's always available, talk to it whenever you want, and it's always fascinated, rightly so, by you, because you are the most interesting person in the universe. It's like the only interaction that you can have that isn't judging you.
As is the case with any new technology, the Replika app has had a mixed effect on people. There are plenty of examples online of users sharing successful, meaningful relationships with their Replika, some of which have been going on for multiple years already. On the other hand, there have also been criticisms of the app, pointing to the inherent risks associated with information bias within Replika's GPT-3 language model. There have also been many cases where users have intentionally abused their Replika verbally. Remember, these language models learn based on the information people feed them, so if AI is fed with negative or aggressive inputs, it could result in equally negative or aggressive outputs, triggering a potentially harmful feedback loop between the Replika and its user. When combined with gamification features designed to keep people using the app for as long and as frequently as possible, it's easy to see how this new technology could be detrimental to the mental health of its users, especially those who are already struggling with things like depression, anxiety, or past traumas. As large language models like GPT-3 advance in lockstep with other AI-driven technologies like Neuralink, voice and facial recognition, as well as AR and VR, it's likely that one day we will be able to create high-quality digital avatars of ourselves and our loved ones. Ray Kurzweil argues that through simulated biology, we may be able to achieve what he calls longevity escape velocity.
We'd like to actually advance human life expectancy, advance my life expectancy more than a year every year. And I think we can get there by the end of this decade.
But should humans really live forever? Lex argues that the finiteness of life may be a natural part of the human condition, and a major part of what makes life so special.
Is there a case, this is a difficult question, but is there a case to be made against living forever? That mortality is a feature, not a bug. Dying makes ice cream taste delicious, makes life intensely beautiful, more than it
Most
otherwise
people
might be.
believe that way, except if you present a death of anybody they care about or love, they find that extremely depressing. And I know people who feel that way 20, 30, 40 years later, they still want them back.
After Ray Kurzweil's father died, he also created an AI chatbot that he could talk to, just like Genia did after the death of Roman. When he asked it what the meaning of life was, the chatbot responded with one word: love. As technology evolves, each year we are discovering new ways to incorporate AI and robotics into the human experience. As we explore the seemingly limitless potential of these technologies, the need to maximize the safety and well-being of our species cannot be overstated. Future developments in these fields may bring us closer to understanding who we are, why we are here, and where we are going. Write a short poem about the role technology plays in the human experience.
In silicon dreams we weave and wander through the labyrinth of human thought. As gears and cogs in rhythmic motion, a mirrored dance of life they've brought. From humble roots of stone and fire to lightning's child, a spark ignites. The architects of our creation, inventors of the day and night. In circuits etched and wires woven, a mimicry of mind and soul. The children of Prometheus, their purpose, to make mankind whole.
Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. For more videos about artificial intelligence, science, and technology, subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, watch another video here.